What's poppin', Juvenile family?
I'm sorry that we didn't post in a while.
Right. We sorry that we've been gone, but we back. We back, right, King?
Yeah.
We back, right, Khalil? Everybody here. So today's the first day.
Everybody here. Matthew, Kino.
The girls are not here.
Look at Khalil. Okay, so we are starting off summer today.
Yeah, today was the last day of school.
First day of summer for us. And
not the first.
we are looking at animals.
Yeah.
We're at Lion Country Safari.
Isn't your ride?
No, Papi, because they already put all the rides and stuff up because it was raining. But now that the sun out, we could do the drive to the park.
They do have rides though.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. They even have a water park.
Wait, what? They didn't tell me about the water.
Yeah, they have a water park too. But all right, we're gonna start our tour. Wait, guys.
We starting tour. Look, the little musical. I mean, not the musical. The little circus.
Oh, see.
Merry-go-round is spinning. Damn, I can't put my window down, so y'all gonna have to take it like this. Yeah, look, and that water overflowed.
It's gonna be a little bumpy.
Animal care, education, ethics, and conservation.
Lion Country Safari. Oh, y'all can use that for your phone for too if y'all want.
Please be aware of some very important rules. The animals here are not.
Oh, here's one animal.
No feeding of any animals in the preserve is permitted.
Oh, and yeah, I don't think you can speak.
Please respect the home and health of
I ain't seen no turtle.
Do not throw
Right there.
trash or cigarette butts out
Whoa, that's a
Look at this big fish.
anywhere.
yeah. Wait, that's a real turtle? Coffee, it was these animals but bigger, and then was Pokemon.
Safety of
Mommy, that's a real turtle? Yeah.
What is this called? A last contact. I don't think we need that
per
sound.
hour.
But it's the
Take
tour.
your time to watch the animals.
No?
Fully
You
enjoy
said it's part of the tour.
country safari.
We don't need that sound.
We don't?
No.
We don't need the
We're not in science class.
Wait, where's the music? This is boring
Please
music.
pull to the right side if
Put
possible.
niggas to sleep.
Attention.
Oh, yeah.
For the boot this wind.
Coffee, they have a playground too.
They do? Okay.
Mommy, can we
That was a water park. No, it's closed now, Papa.
What about the playground? That's not a playground. I think it's a water park.
These things
It's a
finna
llama.
boot the whip.
You cannot hit it. Look at the hair. Look at the little bang.
Grasslands of South America,
Damn.
where you'll find a
Them things got wet.
Oh, man,
They
right.
acting like
Oh, make sure you don't hit it.
Oh, trust me on that.
those
Khalil, you see the animals, Papa? Let me take him and put him in the front. Take him out, Kiki.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. I'm gonna see
Come, Papa.
tiger.
These gentle
Not to
giants
see a tiger.
from the island of
Not to see the window better.
the coast of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean.
Look at the animals. You see
The
them,
largest of
Papa?
the tortoises in this section is named
It's
Lancelot,
acting like a statue.
and he
That's
has
what I
been
was
under
about to
our
say.
care
This thing
since
look lit.
1969.
Exactly. It is.
Nearly as long
Animals
as
walking up to the car.
Khalil need to see.
Lancelot is
He's an
anything around,
ostrich.
trying to
look.
retrieve
The big
his
one?
stolen
Yeah, the ones that run fast.
Fast.
Oh,
They got a big
have
ass
declined significantly
horn,
due
whatever
to
that
the
is.
loss of habitat.
Oh, yeah.
It's a horn, right?
Yeah.
Can help protect rears
No.
from poaching.
I think they're
Avoid
called
having your seniors
antelopes.
confiscated or paying a
Oh,
hefty fine
y'all gotta say,
by
yeah,
being
yeah.
one of the many
Look,
people to
they're
say
running.
No thank you to souvenirs and items made from
Look,
protected
there's some
wild
over here.
animals.
I see.
No, I got this one right here. It look like he ready to fight.
Yeah, Papa, I see it.
Areas of
You see
northern
it,
South
Booby?
America.
No, him right
And are a familiar sight here in Florida.
He's like the old Billy goat.
With
That nigga look like he waiting to charge.
State's Fish and Wildlife
But the
Service.
ostrich, stop saying
Lion Country Safari
ostrich.
offers a safe haven for these individuals
Look at this
that have
motherfucker.
sustained wing
Oh, it's trying to
injuries
bit
in
the
the wild
Scary.
and cannot be released back to their natural
And then
habitat.
it's dancing. Okay.
The pelicans and the rock
Yeah,
still
Papa.
produce offspring.
You see all the animals?
You
Oh,
can
he looks
sometimes see
the
them search
ostrich
for
is
and
dancing.
carry sticks back to the island to create
Daddy, you need
nests.
to do this side. Look.
Baby pelicans hatched here at Lion Country
He's
Safari.
screaming
Yeah,
to
Papa, I
death.
see. You see it?
It's trying to eat some food, but luckily,
When they grow and learn to fly,
Look at
That's
the little
crazy.
in his
to
mouth.
fly off to the coast to join the native Florida population, while
You
others
like it?
may remain
like
right
it, Papa?
here under our care.
You see it?
Wild pelicans are at considerable risk of becoming entangled.
I don't think we really need this tour guide for real.
I told you that.
Please,
I just had like the little, you know, the little bomba, the little safari noise. Oh, look.
What these is? Antlers?
I don't know what these is. Yeah.
What that is, Khalil?
Poopy, you see the animals?
Oh, it's moving right there.
You see the animals, Papa?
Yeah. Wait, are they getting taken a picture or something?
So why they don't attack each other?
I guess they know how to coexist.
Oh, there's more back there.
Yeah, Papa, you see it?
That's why they ain't let the lions loose.
Look, Papa, look.
Tigers.
But
Look at them, Poopy.
up there, it says what it is.
No, yeah.
Look, Papa.
Their food is right there.
Yeah, you
It
see
says what it
them?
is right there. They're eating
You
their
see
food.
them, Papa?
Oh,
Yeah, and I see the baby. Look, the little one. You could tell that's the little one.
It's the big, big ostrich.
Look, Poopy.
Oh,
Make
there's
sure
a
you
dead
don't poke
rat
your
right
car.
there.
Oh, be careful, Poppy. Ooh.
Make sure you don't poke your car.
Yeah, I see it,
They can
Papa.
run fast too.
That shit look heavy. Look how it's moving his foot.
Big as hell. Look at this one.
Oh my god.
OMG. Make sure they don't come to your car. They're gonna scare you.
Kiki, you keep saying that. We're not scared.
We're not scared.
Look
No, they look like they're ready to attack this
so
car.
funny.
Look how they look.
You such a funny boy.
See
You
this
see
one?
our animals?
Oh, it's moving.
You see them, Papa?
Look at their neck. I can't.
Yeah, I see. You see it?
I can't. Casa, how you look?
What's up, Mama?
Talking about.
I don't. I just be trying to figure it out. Yeah, Papa. Oh, look at it, Papa. Look at all the animals. Yeah.
Those
You
are
see
reindeers,
it?
right? There's more
No,
right.
I don't think so.
There's more right there sleeping.
Yeah, they chilling.
And what's those animals right there? You can't really see.
So you think they just leave them out here all day?
Nah,
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I think they add a gate over there.
Cause
Yeah, I see. I think they just locked the gate for real though.
and what?
Look how this one eating.
Why he shaking his head like a little over there?
Eating like that.
There's rain though.
He said, "Babe, was just
Oh,
raining.
the
They
zebras,
was
the
out
zebras.
during the rain.
There's zebras right there. They're dirty. Look how dirty.
What here?
Right there.
Right there. Them zebras
Look,
are
Papa.
real dirty. I told you the zebras were dirty.
That's what
they
they
are.
look like.
It's black and white.
What are those?
Zebras. They're zebras.
Over there too, Papa. We're gonna get over there.
Oh, I see another ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich.
You said oxtail.
She calls it Oscar.
Stop making fun of my language.
Girl, okay. Yeah, I think they keep them locked up. Look at Khalil trying to look back at everybody. Right, Papa.
It's an adventure.
Look at this raccoon
Wait, there's a raccoon where?
right there.
Oh my god. The raccoon that be coming to our house
Yeah.
at 11 p.m.?
They should chase it.
Yeah, Papa.
Look at the raccoon.
Why
I
is
don't
an
know.
ostrich letting it
I
survive?
thought they come at nighttime.
Right.
How they come? But I remember one time on YouTube, my dad had saw one at
They call them
when
things
there was the summer about to
bandits.
close.
They are. Look at them. Ugh.
Ugly. So does that mean we're gonna see skunks? Oh!
I don't know.
Look at it, Khalil.
It's another ostrich.
Yeah, Papa.
Ostrich. This seems so funny.
Yeah,
It's the way they
Papa.
put the neck up.
Yeah. You see it?
You scared? No, you not scared no more?
You tell me they be camp pet bow.
Pet, 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 pet.
Randall.
No, if we had to walk and that thing was by us, I would have been
Oh, we was
screaming.
not gonna walk.
Who was not gonna
You was
walk?
not gonna. I was not signing up for that.
Well,
You ain't gotta
walking?
worry about. Yeah.
Is that a
ain't gotta
tall
worry
one
about
right
I knew
there?
to chase your ass.
Chase who?
You?
I was not getting out the car when they was gonna chase. What they was gonna chase?
So where's that animal right there? That big tall one.
Where?
Over there. Is that an animal?
No, Mama. That's where the birds eat out of. Hope you know you can't climb on me. Yeah.
Well, look at this one coming out the cut.
Okay.
Oh, a big furry one.
So let's just say, right, mistakenly, somebody just hit somebody, right?
Why you not looking?
You think they're gonna come out and be like, I need to take a picture right down your insurance?
No. That person tripping.
Your mom literally paid for all
That
of
person
us.
is tripping. Leave him, Kimura. Let him be just like that. Yeah.
Cause I'm in your crazy. It says Gur Forest. We're going to the forest. Imagine they had a water forest.
They
Oh, you
made
see how the other sucker look like that?
sure they said, please keep doors and windows closed.
All of them says that.
Or
Thank God we don't even have handles. Bird Papa.
Are you right? We don't. Cause them motherfuckers smart.
We're just grabbing.
Especially a loose monkey.
Oh.
What these is?
I don't know.
You said loose monkey? They don't have monkeys here. Or gorillas.
They need to. So do we drive through here?
No.
What are
There's
those
somebody going
horses?
there though.
No, baby.
Look, that white car.
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to.
Lion exhibit. Skip. Oh, if you want to skip the lion exhibit,
Oh, but if the lion exhibit over there, why we ain't go?
it's this way.
Okay, yeah.
If you want to skip it, you go this way.
Okay, yeah, let's go through the lion. Yeah, baby.
Did you know they put electric gates on the lines?
No, I didn't know that. Excuse me, sir. I already see
Because
what you
they're
want.
too wild.
You ain't gotta worry about it.
That's what it says. Oh, that's enough info for
Look at the animals.
Why would they want to skip the lion?
Who knows? They probably scared.
Feel 'em. Look, they even wrote even bigger right here.
Danger. Keep doors and windows closed.
Like, yeah, we ain't fucking up our car.
Yeah.
Oh, I see them fighting right there.
Oh,
You see
look
him?
at the lions.
I can't see. Yo,
It's
they
right
fight.
there.
It's coming.
Fight. It's an electric. Oh, they have electric gates.
Finally, some action.
Yeah, Papa, but look.
I
Look,
can't
Poopy.
see. I'm blind. Remember?
Wait, girl. We ain't even that close yet. Hold on.
For assistant, please call. Oh,
Just keep looking now.
for assistant. Huh?
Caution, gates automatically close in an emergency.
Okay.
Who gon'
Trust me, I'm gonna reverse.
Right. Who gon' say it? Oh, they crazy.
They have electric.
What the lions we just seen fight? Oh.
Where are they?
This way. Right there.
Oh, they
ran
fighting.
away.
I see.
You see the lions, Papa?
It look like they ready.
Yeah, look.
Look, it's Daniel's my neighborhood.
Yeah, this is right there.
Look at the tigers. They don't have tigers here.
How you know, Kimura?
Actually, I've never been here.
Thank you.
That's enough of your information. Now we just need to enjoy the Look.
Thank you.
What? Oh, that is electrifying. It says it over there.
Thank you.
Well, at least they can
What you want?
Look at them boys.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So if they try to climb up, they're
Thank you.
Them boys just walking.
Thank you, handsome baby. I love you too. The lions.
It's
Look at the lions.
cool. It's Daniel's lion neighborhood.
Look, Papa.
Look. These by the gate. They trying to hop out.
Where?
Right here, right
Oh,
here.
look,
No.
Papa.
They're gonna get electric.
Look, Poopy. No, look. Look, Poopy.
Oh.
Look. Look at this one.
They're gonna get electric.
Oh.
Simba!
Oh, that's Khalil. Khalil over there.
Yeah.
Khalil's over there.
You see your daddy when he get old?
Stop filming me.
Old and
Is that the
tired.
girl
Oh,
tiger?
that's the ones that go.
Oh, I think she's shitting in the back. Is that pooping in the back? Excuse my language. Or is that how they sit? I think they
Look at this one. You ready to go?
F some stuff
They
up.
said like
I should say electric fence.
I just said it.
Look at
I
these.
just said it.
Look how they look at
Look at how
people
they're
though.
looking at
Right.
us.
They want to chase something so bad.
We see, Papa.
The us is gonna poke it.
You would have opened that door, Khalil. This would have been your new family. Y'all got the same skin tone. You don't see they got a little blush of it?
You would have went right with them.
Who? No, I wasn't, because I didn't send your child to open no door.
Okay,
That he lost his mind.
they do have.
They'd have took care of him, dude. I don't know about you though.
You right. You don't have to worry about me. I was gonna take care of myself. Black. Oh, was it? Look.
Oh, they
look,
fighting.
Papa.
They fighting. They fighting.
What the hell they doing?
I don't know if they're hugging, fighting.
It looks like they're fighting.
What the hell they got going on?
They're fighting. They're actually fighting.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he know how to do the scream.
Khalil, look.
Alva.
Mama.
Which mama?
Mama.
Mama.
Khalil, mama.
We're not taking Camille out wide. Grandma gonna be
Yeah,
crying.
he look aggravated. Let me drive off.
Yeah, that's definitely his mama for real.
Grandma gonna be crying.
Mama.
Oh, they eat hay?
Camille, you gonna have to eat hay.
You know what y'all eat.
Okay.
Mama.
There you go, baby. Daddy.
You see mama?
Daddy.
He's pointing at you.
Mm-hmm. Daddy.
His family's gonna be
Yeah, Matthew, we
loud.
about to see yours next.
I already
Yeah,
have a
baby.
family.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
we
Matthew.
about to take him. We about to
Take,
take
take who?
My family's right in this car.
Thank you. Let him know,
1,
Matthew.
2, 3, 4, 5,
your cousins is right there.
6. My cousin.
Where's his cousins?
Those Billy Bulls.
Okay.
Whatever the fuck that is.
Okay.
One of them.
Don't try me.
He counted you, King. I see you went back to recount.
Huh?
King went to recount.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, she's over there, Khalil.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Put your hands on me.
I am. And
She's
I'll
over
open
there,
the door and roll your ass out. Yeah.
That's the part you don't want to play.
Oh baby, I
You
do.
don't wanna do domestic violence
Oh
over
baby, I'll show out in any establishment.
Camille
You
just
don't show
point.
out here.
Oh, I won't.
I don't think so.
Oh, I won't.
I don't like it.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Camille just point out something and say, "Go there."
If you do show out here, boy, I don't
it's
know
more
what to tell
hay.
you.
Oh what? You gonna let her? You gonna know?
Yeah, for the animals. But there's some more animals. I see none. Yeah, for now.
Yeah, where these animals at?
Dragonflies. What the dragonflies are doing?
Matthew, come out wherever you are.
He's right here in the car.
Where?
You should
Right
look for
here.
you and Kiki.
You should call animal fighters.
You don't worry, Matthew. I'm gonna throw his ass out
Get
the
your
car.
behind out this
Don't
car.
worry. I'm gonna throw him out the car, Matthew. That nigga gonna have to run back in this car for his life.
Trust me, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, I'll fight for my life. Boy. You think he's strong? You ain't stronger than me.
Baby, when I say I'm gonna jump in that driver's seat and pull off, you gonna see.
Them boys gonna be like me.
No, but look at the animals, okay? It's gonna be so funny watching your dad run for his life.
No, it's not. Who's faster, me or you?
I don't have to be fast. Push you out, close the door, lock the door, and keep it moving. Until I see animal charging your way, I'm not unlocking the door.
Do it. That's fucked up.
What? What's messed up?
What
You
you
want to
just
talk
said.
all big and bold?
This is our home. Please drive safe.
Slowly, baby.
Oh, sorry, slowly. Excuse me.
Drive safe. Drive safe. Drive home and safe.
Kimar was so funny.
he got the words wrong. Drive home and safe. We're not even leaving yet.
It's funny.
Yes.
We're gonna push you out next.
Oh, you ain't touching her.
That's all.
You're not touching her. What you need, Papa?
It's a 2 for 1.
Okay, hold on. You started drinking out your sister's one, sweetie.
Cause look at have some more drink.
Greedy ass. Alright, man. I don't see no more
Animals.
animals.
So we're gonna get back to y'all.
Once we see more.
Papa, what?
Right. Yay.
Khalil, go to the people. Go to the
2.
Go to the animals. Look,
Oh, I turned it off.
what this one doing? Scratching?
Where?
No, that one. He
What
that
are
was
these
about to crush his head.
reindeers? These are.
But why some of them got horns, some of them don't?
Probably didn't. I don't know.
They probably got their horns off.
Probably not goats yet.
Look at this.
Why is not
look
y'all
at
gonna do this
one.
little stampede?
This what they call me. This is your mom.
Wait, what is that? There's more
The goat.
animals back there.
They're not goats though. Look at this big
That's the
shit
goats
right
right
here.
there.
I don't know what this is, mama.
those brown animals.
Is it safe to go or do I wait for y'all?
I think you gotta wait for them. I think they crossing the street.
Daddy, look at that brown animal. Those animals back there.
Hey, brown animals back there, baby.
Right there, they're moving.
Where?
I ain't got. They got your skin tone.
Right there. No, they don't. They don't.
I don't like your dad, Keeper.
You love me, you're right. And this one, look, one of the thingies is chasing the ostrich.
Oh?
The one way over there.
Yeah, I see. I don't see. Oh, those are the animals right there.
So, what they say?
Bypass, and then we're going to the white kangaroos.
White
White rhinoceros. White
So go this way?
rhinos, yeah. Go that way.
Okay. What's over here though?
It says to bypass it.
I see a worker.
I was gonna bypass
Right,
this.
rhinos.
Yeah. If you had a lot of energy, you could have revved that bill. Wow.
Trucks are better than smaller.
The more just gonna run. No, we in this slow ass V2.
Reese's Puff.
I'm hanging with my bestie, right, Boogie?
Cool.
Hanging with my bestie.
We're besties with you, though.
My bestie Westie. Nigga, what you want? What you want? Oh, so those are little kids. So you think the ones with the horns is the teenagers?
These?
No.
Oh, don't. Oh.
Yeah.
Probably.
They're probably the
And I think the big one are the adults. Yeah, we
the
know
teenagers.
that. We know that.
Why are they so skinny?
What is that animal?
Get down.
Oh, that's a turtle thing. Bro, do you know what that black thing? Mm-hmm. Bro, that's a tire.
Oh, they got this motherfucker by itself.
that's a tiger.
How he got over there? Oh, this way.
Baby eating food with another animal. Whoa. What are those animals right there?
Yeah, I told y'all listen to the tour guide. Y'all ain't want to listen to it.
That was my dad.
That shit, that nigga just kept talking.
Yo would have told y'all exactly what animal was what.
Y'all was not even listening anyway.
I was.
Y'all was talking.
I listened.
It's another ostrich.
It's windy out.
What is that orange animal? Oh, it's Daniel. No, it's not. Yes, it is. You see Daniel? And there's another ostrich. And what is
Yo,
that?
what are real rough riders? The ones that
Right.
attack the cars.
What?
Yeah, them the ones I want to see.
What? You want them to attack us?
The car.
Why you want them to attack the car?
Yo, I'm looking for some action right now.
Corporate
drama?
ain't gonna help
I'm
you.
looking for some action.
You looking for drama?
No, I'm looking for action.
I want to see some shit for real though. Like, look at her.
Just don't honk on it.
There's cars behind you there.
Okay, we're in a tour.
Look at these big ones. Why are their necks so long?
That one look kind of hard.
They got the same neck as your dad.
Oh, okay.
Squint. I'll drive by and put this window down for real.
Who's stopping you?
Okay.
There's another one that you get to put your
Just wait.
window down.
Go.
And you can feed them food.
Go ahead. I'm going to show you.
I would love to feed them.
Wait till we get by.
I would love
Go
them
ahead.
to bite my
And you
shirt
see-
and pull me.
What's going first, right?
Stop calling
Okay.
me. Interrupt.
Under the passenger and the back left.
If you don't want to.
Okay.
No.
Back
no,
left.
I'm not silent mode. No.
Yeah, look at the back left. They taking King by the shirt.
No, sweetie. They're going to take this one. Put the window down. You're going to see what happens.
They're gonna
They
chase.
can take all of them. You too.
They're not taking my phone.
Your phone, not your life, right? Your phone.
They can have the phone.
No.
I don't care nothing about that.
Yeah, this doodle.
They can have food.
Them shit's big.
Where?
Nasty.
Look at this nigga.
That nasty. Don't honk on it.
God.
I can smell it inside.
Don't butt it.
Right.
What? I can smell it. there's some more hay. But none of the windows are open. Look, hello?
That boy just jumped.
I need to hold this.
Can y'all tell me to where
Oh,
I'm
there's
about
a
to
zebra?
get excited?
We just keep seeing the same animals.
Oh.
What is
Let's
that?
chase.
I think that's a zebra.
The
Yeah,
fact you know who's calling is crazy.
That's not a zebra. That's a horse. Cause we keep seeing the same animals for hours.
What is that?
I don't know what kind this is.
I don't know, reindeers? I just want to see some. Those are reindeers right there.
Trying to see something smack.
Uh-oh. Wait, uh-oh.
This one coming.
This one coming.
That boy trying to hang out?
Yo, keep driving.
Keep
Come on,
driving
I'm
for it.
doing it down right now.
No.
Oh, just slide.
I thought that's...
Khalil's gonna go first.
I thought
That nigga put himself back. Khalil said he don't want no smoke. Yeah, because your dad was about to get you taken.
I thought that thing was about to
You ready
run.
to get? You ready to get taken?
No put gates.
I'm ready
No,
to
I
see
ain't.
something fun.
Right. Why do people
Clear your throat, my boy.
Because I thought that ostrich was about to run.
It should've.
Dash across that street.
Why? Why do you want to be with the animal?
Nah, shit. I'm trying to see something whack, man.
Wild.
Like, what's this?
Nothing.
No, I'm talking about like this tour. You come here when you're depressed. You need to start thinking. I'm trying to see some action.
Right. Like, start eating somebody.
Take out antlers and break a window or something.
Yo, stop that.
So then I could speed with y'all. Zoom right to the front. Take out the animal. Like, give me
Why is it
something.
still right there?
Like this it?
Am I the only one talking?
Nope.
This is like right.
The child dropped his phone out.
Yup.
I have no idea.
It's a magic trick.
Okay.
Right here. Good for
Okay.
you.
It's a magic trick.
Good for you. Amazing. Inspiring.
You know all these words, you better know how to spell them and use them during the summer.
No. Shut up, King.
Yep.
Yep.
Some shit you just
I know
riding.
how to spell inspiring.
Some shit you riding just smoke.
Yeah, cause what's this?
Love. Dinosaurs?
I don't know. That's a great question. Oh, that's the mom and the baby. No, that's the dad. That's King and David.
King, jump out.
No, you jump out.
Jump
That's
out.
King and David.
Eyes.
Why you don't tell Khalil jump out? You want me to put down the window for
Go
him?
ahead.
Yeah, call him, Papa.
Oh,
What's coming?
it's the
Yeah.
there. It's that bird right there.
Where should I caption this? I
Hey,
can't believe
David.
the rhino attacked the car.
Oh, it's a zebra. It's a zebra. It's a zebra.
Yep.
Dad,
Just said, hey, David.
you're not even recording. You're not. You're not. Ew, they're so dirty. Then they are out the window. They are so brown.
This nigga want to get hit.
They just move around.
No.
What you mean,
I
nah?
want to see some action.
Yo, me too.
All right, we here. Yo, stop putting the window down.
Niggas so real scared. You want action? Ready for war?
He's so dirty.
I'm a young soldier.
soldier.
Yeah. Let them boys know. Yeah, look, stick your hand. Go ahead, do what you want. I promise you, today is gonna be the day you learn.
You're laughing.
You want to jump out?
No.
This
Oh,
guy right here.
Me?
You ready to jump out, Kimura?
No.
You?
Why are you asking us? Why don't you ask yourself to jump?
right.
I'll jump out right now, but I'm driving.
Okay, then do it.
I'm driving.
Yeah, you can switch seats.
I'm gonna drive.
I bet you $60 you won't.
That ain't no money.
That is money.
No, it ain't. So let's switch seats.
Oh, me?
Me and you, let's switch seats.
To do what?
I'm gonna jump out.
No, you're not.
Go.
No, but you gotta walk around the whip.
No, sweetie. That's not what the fuck is going on. You see them big things right there? They stop playing with me.
Them things look like rocks.
They do. No, they don't.
Oh, they look like you.
They look like.
They look like Mr. Lubin.
Yeah, balls to the ground.
Yeah, you are.
What does two Mr. Lubins in the car?
Oh, my big Lubin.
There's only one Lupin in the car.
No,
There it is, right?
there's. Okay. So what's my last name?
I don't have a last name, Kimor.
Me neither.
Yes, you do.
I don't. See? I like them people that work here. They blend in with the animals. Come on, I don't get it.
I
What
like
you
this.
got going on?
Oh, that shit to the street.
Okay. We buy that action. We buy that action, my
Kick
boy.
your ass out.
Yo, okay, hold on. The people right there, Khalil. Stop. I don't want the people kicking
And it
us
stinks.
out. Woo!
They probably fighting.
Mm-hmm. Why he just standing there? Fucking move.
Like, yeah, touch me.
He's like, touch me, touch
No,
me.
what's wrong with this person right here? Let me get away from them.
Please, babe.
They want to see action.
There go the workers. There go the workers. There go the workers. What's wrong with him?
Oh, she stopped for her kid. Okay. Yo, what this nigga doing? Praying? Yo, David, keep going. 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 Y'all want action, right? Yeah. 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 Yo, yeah. David, no.
No.
Yeah. No, they say don't do that, King.
Don't knock. They could actually come.
Look at the
Yeah.
rhino, though. That rhino will flip the whip. Okay. Y'all
I don't
laughing.
know what would you if you don't put your foot on the fucking
This
gas.
one right here.
Okay.
That's short.
Yo, what if they have blocked this shit? Yo, this
Okay, we can reverse.
this would have been some shit.
Reverse.
Look at them boys. Look at them boys.
Look at his butt.
You.
Squad.
Mhm.
Oh, they have electric. Because I see electric right there. Yeah, but they can still come up.
Yeah, man.
It's called electrified.
What?
It's electric. What?
Chimpanzees, guys. Chimpanzees.
They ain't close.
What are those animals? I never saw them in my life.
Girl monkeys.
Oh, they don't have
I'll tell you a
monkeys
couple
here.
of people that look like them. Oh, there's none right now? Oh, they
No.
probably put them up.
They
'cause of
scam
the
us.
rain.
They scam us.
They did.
How? They put the chimpanzees away.
Where's my wild animals?
Matthew.
Matthew got some. No, they right there.
Where?
They're black ones right there.
Where?
You passed them, babe. Keep
Wow. That's tough.
going. Yeah, that is tough. But
Y'all see them?
you see them?
Oh, I see them right there.
Yeah,
I don't.
they right there.
I see them. I don't.
Matthew.
Oh, they right there. Yeah, really cool.
Right.
Matthew.
Matthew.
One more time.
Oh, sorry.
That looks like a monkey.
That's the chimpanzee. They're in the monkey family. Look at Khalil.
Matthew, you're on the bottom.
Where Khalil at? Where he at?
Right on over there.
No.
Look at Khalil with the banana.
Where?
Look, right there. Look at his orange butt.
Where?
And right there, babe,
One
look.
sticking out?
No, right
Oh,
here.
there.
Well,
Oh, I
by
see
the
him.
water, yeah.
The little one.
I don't see his orange.
Khalil love eating the bananas.
Looks like he has he has his underwear on.
I see so much bananas though.
Poopy, you want to see? Look.
Oh,
Look
look,
at you.
it got one in his
That's
mouth.
Khalil?
Yeah.
I told you.
Wait, where's Danny? Where's Daniel? Where's the tiger?
Girl, what
Oh,
are you
I see
stopping
giraffes.
for?
I
Babe,
see
just move to the
giraffes.
side for that one.
I see giraffes.
Where's Chad?
Okay. Ooh.
Giraffes.
Hey, Chad, my boy, Chad, the giraffe.
Well, oh, there's one right here. This one
Where?
I'm taking a picture of. Right
What? Oh, look, Papa, look.
Matthew!
Look. Khalil. Look, Poopy.
here. Zambula food.
Look. Khalil.
Look at Matthew.
Look at Khalil. Khalil hanging out for a picture.
Why you about to hit me for?
Not close. What's up, workers?
Why she look so
Yo, she look
serious?
angry.
Right.
She got to drive around these stink ass animals.
Look at the giraffes, Papa. Look at the giraffes. Look, Papa. Look, Poopy.
Look at Cassandra's neck.
That's not.
Good look.
Consul's neck is not even that long.
Right.
Put down the window. Put down the window. Key.
Why is coming here?
Where?
Let's go be.
My boy. My boy.
Catch the giraffe. Catch the giraffe.
Holla at me, my boy.
Catch the giraffe.
Fuck that. Yo, we about to get
Hell no. Stop.
Stop, King. We about to get litty in this bitch. Skill. You see that hair? That would have been a nice ponytail in my head.
A nice one, huh?
Yeah, look at that boy staring at the whip like, yeah. Yeah, what you want? What you want? What you want? You ain't got no horsepower? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, I know.
Horsepower.
Yeah. Yo, look all the nice ponytails on their tail.
Take it.
That's what I do. I go to the store and buy it.
No, go get this one naturally.
Why he just standing there looking stupid?
And that's a bundle?
I look like
Yeah,
a statue.
probably.
I look like a statue.
Right, just standing there. Right, but you tired? No, fucking tired.
There's more giraffe.
Alright, folks, my battery dying.
Oh, snap. Sorry, sorry, guys. But
I put him to sleep.
I'm not. He tired though.
Is this the end?
What?
You have more ruffles?
No.
Yes, you do. I see it right there.
You're
So
right.
why you ask?
So he could get some.
You ain't getting none.
Oh, what?
King, stop. Don't mud it.
So I won't go somewhere else after this?
I don't know. Babe, could you give him some ruffles, please? He's hungry.
He just ate
Okay.
nuggets and fries.
He didn't eat
I didn't
fries.
eat fries.
Well, you ate nuggets.
Okay, so
you
let
should
the
be
chips be
full.
the fries.
Nah.
Okay. What?
Nah. You want some too?
Yeah.
You was just eating a banana.
Khalil was eating the banana.
That was not.
Khalil was eating the banana.
Ruffles, please, man. I need ruffles.
What did I say? Sarai was
Can we go to grandma's house after this?
Safari
Yeah, today grandma's birthday.
World
Yeah, and I
Parking.
told my dad, can we buy her a cake?
Okay.
I'm giving her 10K.
June 9th?
I
Yeah.
love it here.
You gotta match that?